What's up guys, I'm Steve and we are Southwest Active Explorers, and today we're going to be doing a little walk around video of my JK. Oh, that was it. Alright guys, so starting off at the front, still rocking the factory JK bumper. It's got a set of VDP stubby end caps. Got a rock hard 4x4 products, factory bumper winch mount with the hoop, running a worn Xenon 10S. It's got the synthetic rope, 10-inch KC light bar up front. I've got KC fogs and KC headlights. They're all LED. Moving back, got Bushwhacker plastic fender flares. So we're also running a Weston 50-inch light bar mount with a Weston 50-inch bar and 3-inch KC cubes. We're running a 3 1/4-inch Rusty's advanced mid-arm lift kit on this. It's also got a set of 3/4-inch spring spacers. We're running their RX 900 remote reservoir shocks. Also got some Terraflex speed bumps installed. It's running the factory Dana 44 with the factory locker. It's got sleeves in the tubes. It's got an AirTech truss, sea gussets, low control arm skids. So she's about as built as it can be. Chromoly axles front and rear. It's got a set of Quadratech aluminum skid plates underneath it. For steering, I'm running a Synergy drag link and a Rusty's tie rod. We're still rocking the factory JK Rubicon rims. I've got 1.5-inch spacers to kick them out to keep the wider tires out of the fenders, and we're running 35 12/50/17 tread right guard dogs. For rock sliders, we're running the LOD rock sliders. They're frame mounted. Rear axle is still running the factory Dana 44 that came in here, factory locker, and rear axle's been trussed and it's got low control arm and shock skids on it. So we've got a JKS track bar brace on the bottom of the rear axle, Synergy track bar brace on the top, and we've got a Synergy track bar brace on the top of the front axle. We're running Rancho diff covers. It's also running the stock 410 gears for now. Whenever I go up to 37s, we'll re-gear. We got a set of Terraflex speed bumps out back as well. The bumper is a Rusty's Extreme Trail bumper with their rear corner fascia kit. I've got a Smittybilt HD tire carrier with their high lift jack mount and high lift. And we got JW speaker tail lights and a Rugged Ridge third brake light ring that replaces the one that sets up top with a ring inside the rim. Thanks for watching guys. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe, as well as the bell for notifications. And as always, stay active and keep exploring.